This is the only time you want to ruffle some feathers.
No. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
Hello, friends.
Diamonds blinging.
I offered you some.
I know, I didn't think I wanted it.
It's December 21st. And I'm filming other videos right now, but Taz gave me the, welcome back to the channel. This is my intro. Taz gave me the good idea I think the beginning of Vlogmas or last week to do a video on the Cloud Couch Dupe update. And I've been meaning to do it, but I keep forgetting. And so today I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the couch. What we like, what we don't. Taz, you wanna join me for this?
Yeah.
But first, I'm gonna finish eating my breakfast / lunch because your girl is so nauseous. No, I'm not pregnant. I'm just taking my vitamins and I forget that I get nauseous. Not that I forget, I'm just not hungry in the morning. And so I just take them and I'm like, today will be different. And every day it's not different. So I'm eating right now. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this and then we will talk about the couch. Would we buy it again? Would we not? Was it worth it? Is it not? Would we buy the RH couch? Will we not?
How long have we had it? We've had it for 7 months now. We got it in May.
April.
April. We moved in. Really? We had it in April?
No,
I think
not
early,
April.
Early May. We moved in.
For some reason I thought April was after May. That's wrong.
We got it May and it's now December.
May,
So
June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
So a 7-month
Update.
review to see how it's wearing in, go over the pros, the cons of it. Yeah.
Okay, so I just took off our blanket from the couch, and before we like fluff it up and make it all pretty, I wanted to show you what it looks like after, you know, sitting on it all night last night, this morning having our coffee and stuff, and then we can go into details. So this is the couch, what it looks like, and it just looks, okay, hi. And it just looks like lived in, and it's exactly, you know, what it should look like. I don't think it looks bad by any means. Do you have anything you want to add to that?
Yeah.
Poopy, what do you think about the couch? I love it.
Yeah, I think this is what it looks like probably 95% of the time. I know, like, when the cushions do get, and this happens with any feather-filled item, is that, like, if you sit here, say I sit right here all the time, you're obviously gonna have like an imprint of where your body sits because the feathers get pushed to the side. So this is, again, this is what it looks like 90-95% of the time until you fluff it up and make it look a little bit more, I guess, new.
Yeah. But also, like, if you buy this couch, it's because you like that look. Like, it's a very like lived in look, which we don't mind. So Taz here is going to fluff the things for us so you guys can see what it looks like.
So it's really easy. Really what I do, shake it out, kind of just hit it.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it.
And the great thing about these is that instead of, you can flip it over and...
Wow, that's a brand new couch right there. Here, look and see the difference. Move over a little bit so you can see. So like if you have people over, you can maybe fluff it up if you want. Like, is it serious? I don't know. But, and he'll do the same thing with the back portion of it too.
Yeah. Yep. Just, again, ruffle up the feathers.
This is the only time you want to ruffle some feathers. And voila. Okay, so we're gonna do all of them and then we'll show you in a second, and then we'll talk more about what I want to tell you about this couch. this is what it looks like fluffed, and it literally looks brand new.
Yeah.
So do we want to sit and talk, or do we want to stand and talk?
It's probably stand and talk.
Okay, well, first of all, let's fix this zipper. Okay, so pros. Here, I want you to be in it.
Okay. I guess we can sit.
Yeah. Okay, let me fix this. Okay, let's talk pros and cons. Pros, right off the bat, price.
Yeah.
1,000%. How much did we pay for this? 22?
Delivered, I think it was 28.
20, oh, 28.
28.
And
Couch itself was 24 or 25.
yeah, I will link where it's from. I get nothing from this. Believe me, I tried an affiliate code. I tried everything. I get nothing. Hi friends, coming at you from the future because I'm editing this video and I was like, surely there's a way I can, you know, get something for you guys. So I did a little digging and I found a $50 off coupon. I will link it in the description box below if you are interested in buying the Cloud Couch from City Furniture. Just check the description box for $50 off. I could gatekeep this couch, but I'm not gonna.
Why would we want to gatekeep this?
That's exactly. We're gonna share the love. So, from City Furniture, comes in 2 colors, this white one and a gray one, and you can get multiple pieces. So this is not the only couch they offer. We went with a 1, 2, 3, 4 piece. Mm-hmm. And
you buy it in sections. It's a sectional. We went with 2 armless chairs. So that's technically what they are, with just a back, and then 2 corner chairs.
Yep.
So like the one right here on Yami's right is a corner, and then the one right behind me is obviously a corner, and then 2 armless to go on either side, and you can reconfigure it however you want. Yeah,
we were playing with the idea of when we were putting up the Christmas tree, we toyed with the idea of moving things around because we didn't want, this side was on this side and we wanted to show off the Christmas tree, so we played with the idea of making one long couch, and it looked really freaking cool.
So long.
Yeah, so long. But anyway, that's the cool thing about these couches, that you can switch the configurations. So definitely the pro is the price. What I wanted to say with that is it is from City Furniture. They do have free shipping in Florida because it is a Florida store. However, you are able to buy it, you just have to pay for shipping. And I believe shipping is 20% of the total cost of whatever you're buying. So we paid to...
Yeah, I think, again, the couch was like, the pieces we got added up to $2,400, so 20% of that is $500, roughly $480, and so it came out to like $2,900, which is still delivered.
Yeah.
And that was like, they brought it in and like
assembled it,
like because it comes really well packed and really well protected. Comes with a lot of packaging, and I think you just pay like an extra $50 or something for like premium delivery.
And also they took all the garbage with them. So when they came, they undid it and they took it with them, and we just had the beautiful couch. Okay, so that's that, the pro, a con. Another pro is it's literally the dupe of Restoration Hardware Cloud Couch. Literally the best dupe I have ever seen. And I was researching a lot for this couch. What else is a pro?
And she had a chance to see it in person as well when she went to Miami to visit family.
That's what
sealed
let's go to
City Furniture
the deal.
And see how this couch, because obviously they can make it look a certain way online, but being able to see it in person, I think, really helps.
And us. I know it's like an exact dupe because I have friends that have the Restoration couch, and even they were like, holy crap, this is like the same couch. So the fabric is a little bit different. Yeah. This is a little, I don't want to say smoother. They have something, like, they have a name for this, but I forget what it was called. Like the Restoration is almost more like linen-y. It has like a much more natural fiber feel to it, whereas this is more smooth. Where of course you have the option of picking your fabric with the Restoration couch. You don't have the option here. They just have their one fabric, which is a good segue to another pro, is that you are able to clean this couch. Like, obviously we use Folex. It's not like it's what's the word I'm looking for? Like, it's not like if you spill wine, it's not gonna just roll off. It will soak into it. So I mean, you still have to be careful with this. But we use Folex to clean off anything that gets on the couch, and it usually works pretty well. I'm gonna insert a video here of me cleaning because I saw a little thing when we were poofing up the couch. What's the word I'm looking for?
Yeah. Fluffing the couch.
Fluffing the couch. So we'll show you how it comes off. And then, what's another pro? I think there's so many pros. Like, it's just a beautiful couch.
You get so many comments on it.
Yeah.
Wow, that couch is great. I had a friend this week ask us where we got it from, and so like, we've had it for 7 months, and people are still asking like, oh, where'd you get it from? And
yeah.
So it's kind of a nice compliment.
The only con, besides like you have to pay for shipping because the company does provide free shipping, but the only con besides that is that sometimes the feathers stick out. And I'll insert it here. There's a feather right there. But it's not a ton, and it's not like...
No, when I was reading reviews, people were like, oh, feathers are coming out, and I'm gonna have to fill them. But like, you probably have one feather fall out every other day or something. So if you really think about...
If that.
Yeah, so I'm just saying, like, if you have one feather fall out every other day, it's gonna take a long time for it to get to a point where you need to refill it. And so... with any, like, even if you have a down comforter,
yeah,
feathers are going to pop out. If you have down cushions on a couch, feathers are going to pop out. So that's just something that comes with the territory, I think. But overall, it's a con, but you buy this couch knowing that it's going to happen.
Yeah.
So you understand the con before you get it.
Totally.
And that's what gives the couch its look, its feel, its aesthetic, is the down feathers that are inside of it. But, you know, I can see another one popping out right now.
Don't put that out because I have to film it. So I can
So yeah, they do pop out, and they do kind of like poke you once in a while, but it's not really that big of a deal.
Yeah, and a lot of people are saying, you know, how can you deal with a white couch, this and that. I will link below the Amazon blankets that we use. We just throw white blankets, which, I mean, I don't think we need to. I think we just do it just as a precaution because our backyard has a lot of dirt still, and I don't want, you know, the dogs coming in and out and all that good stuff. But
this one will jump up on the couch and just like leave her little paw prints.
Yeah, but we've had friends over. We've, you know, people sit here. Like, we're never like, don't sit there, please. It's always like,
it's a couch.
It's a couch. Use it. Like, we know what we got ourselves into.
Again, if you get a white couch, you understand, like, it's going to attract some stains. It's going to attract some lint. It's going to attract some things that maybe a darker colored couch you wouldn't notice as much, but...
Yeah, but what I've done is I'll lint roll it, and then obviously the Folex works like a dream.
And we did Scotch guard it too.
We did Scotch guard it, yes. So I think that's it, right?
Yeah, I mean, I've loved the couch. It's great for our space.
It's so comfortable.
Yeah, it's amazing. Can't say really enough good things about it other than what we've said already. It's just, you're looking for a Cloud Couch dupe, this is it. This is it.
Yeah. So if you have any questions that maybe we didn't talk about, leave them down below. We'd be happy to answer them. But like Taz said, if you are looking for a Cloud Couch, it's because you know what's going to come with it, being white and, you know, all that stuff. So this has been probably one of the best purchases we've made. And what did we do it again? 1,000%.
Probably.
Yeah. And even if I had the money to spend on restoration hardware, I don't think that I would, because this is just literally
knowing
the
what
same
it
couch.
is.
Yeah.
So
yeah. So
if you're comparing the two, this is, I don't notice any difference in build quality. I don't notice any difference in really anything.
Yeah.
So
totally.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them down below. Oh, wait, these do come off. So you can throw them in the wash, and we air dry them.
Yep.
And that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If there's any big stain that happens on it, but usually the Folex takes off 99% of what we need to get off of it. So
that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. 10/10 recommend this couch. Go buy it if you haven't, if you want it, you know. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Later.
Bye.